My dear precious, valuable viewers, I hope you're doing well. Today I want to explain Jolly Phonics Group 3, the fourth sound and the letter of Jolly Phonics Group 3. The letter name is L and the sound is L. 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 Lollipop. It's time for picture description. Dear kids, what you can see in that picture? Yes, I think so. It's a birthday party program because there is a colorful balloons and birthday cakes and lot of toys also. But dear kids, you see here, here is the kids which are eating lollipops and they are enjoying and they put the scattered toys every place, and you see here a cone ice cream which is floor down, which is on the floor. Dear kids, it's a good thing whenever you want to go any birthday program or any friend's home and you create a mess, you scattered everything. No, 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 no. Dear kids, whenever you want to go anyone's home, you show discipline, manners. Never ever scattered anything or touch anything without permission, because it may be disturb the person which is calling you, and he never again calls you due to that mess creation. So dear kids, what's the next? Yes, it's a time for story. What's the story behind this sound? Zara's birthday party was well organized. You see, here is a Zara which is in pink and dress. Okay. When the children came to the party, they made a splash and scattered all things. You see, there is a lot of toys, lollipop, ice cream, and that's why there are the mice also. Some children were eating lollipops. We should not go to someone's home without any reason and scatter things. Yes, and eating lollipop is not good for health because it is artificial color which maybe disturb your stomach, so avoid them. Okay, what's the next? It's a time for song. What is the song behind L sound? Okay, sing with me. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipops. Yes. Next. What is the next? It's a time for word building. It is the sound L, L. So we make new word by adding Jollyphone group 1 and 2 sounds and third one also. Og, 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 log, ip, lip, ot, lot, egg, leg, it, lit. Yes, dear kids. Now it's time for action. What's the action behind this letter sound? You pretend you have a lollipop in your hand and you want to lick the lollipop by your tongue. You up your hand and or your thumb, and you show your thumb is like a lollipop, and you touch your thumb with your tongue and say l, l. Thank you so much, my dear kids. It's enough for today's video. Inshallah, we'll meet on next day with next sound, next letter, next picture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.